Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Stripe webhooks using endpoint secret To restore Stripe webhooks using endpoint secret verification, start by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the dashboard and click on the Developers section. Select Webhooks from the sidebar menu. Locate the webhook endpoint you want to restore. Click on the webhook to view its details. At the top, you will see the signing secret. Copy the signing secret to your clipboard. Next, open your code editor or integrated development environment. Find the section in your code where you handle incoming webhooks. Incorporate the Stripe library if you haven't already. Use the library's functionality to verify the webhook signature. In your verification code, retrieve the signing secret you just copied. Compare the signature from the request with the computed signature using the endpoint secret. If the signatures match, you can safely process the webhook event. If they do not match, log the error and take necessary action. Make sure to handle different event types according to your application needs. Test the webhook by sending test events from the Stripe dashboard. Observe the results in your application to ensure everything functions as expected. Once satisfied, deploy your changes to your production environment. Monitor the webhook events for any discrepancies or errors after deployment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.